Visit now, our website Enriched.com for more fantastic information.
Attitude, Natural Conditioner, Repair, and Color Protection, Argan Oil, 8 fluid ounces, 240 milliliters. Product Overview Description. Live consciously sensitive skincare worry-free ingredients hypoallergenic enriched with oatmeal dermatologically tested EWG verified, for your health CO2 neutral cruelty-free and vegan EcoLogo, product certified for reduced environmental impact. Our sensitive skin collection is designed for all hair types that just need to be pampered. Enriched with oatmeal, this soothing formula will gently moisturize and protect your hair on a daily basis. Argan oil is known for its moisturizing and nourishing properties. Rich in antioxidants and fatty acids, it has protective and restorative properties, deeply soothing dry hair. EWG Verified means that this product avoids EWG's ingredients of concern, is committed to full transparency and operates under good manufacturing practices. Suggested use. After shampooing, work through hair, then rinse. Color safe. Other ingredients: water, glycerin, cetyl alcohol, caprylic, capric triglyceride, bihydramonium methosulfate, decapril ether, glyceryl stearate, sodium benzoate, argania spinosa, argan, kernel oil, avena sativa, oat, kernel extract, potassium sorbate, citric acid, vanillin, pentate K-lactone, fruit, linol acetate, floral. Warnings. For external use only. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.